Hey, where's our kid? Where's our battery kid?
Somebody's terrified.
Everybody else ready?
Hey, where's the battery boy? Are you the battery boy?
There's the battery boy. Welcome back.
Everybody ready?
It's your favourite Aussie, the Aussie Airsofter. You're joining for another game at Dirty Dog Airsoft.
Let's go this way.
So during this game here, what we have to do is get the battery boy to the objective, plug it in, blow the bomb, win the game. I'm running a Raven Glock here, the HPA adapter and the G&G drum mag. Here's a little bit of cheeky suppressive fire. So after about 3 or 4 minutes of that, we finally managed to get rid of a few of the enemies on the corner. So here we are, pushing forwards. Last one left.
Where do you think he is, Tennessee? The one sitting in that window at the left. Pop it off.
That's it. How fast does it shoot?
No. Yeah, friendly in the village. Left looks clear. Left isn't clear, far left, number 12.
At the back, yeah?
Number 12, yeah, I can see him in the doorway.
Yeah. Still not seeing him, but... Where?
Up and over.
So if you haven't played at Dirty Dog Airsoft, this section here is called the Village, which is made up of sea containers. You've got, it's double stacked, there's stairs, doorways, places to hide. There's a lot of sneaky spots if you're not careful. Like that.
Clear upstairs here.
We did get reasonably fortunate. There really was nobody defending the village, so the objective is probably about 300-400 meters from this point. So we're just going to skip through us walking through the empty village.
Got it. Cottage is clear.
Clear. Not enough yet. Go on, need one more.
No. Left side in the bushes. Sorry? Okay.
I was waiting for you to stop that. I like your enthusiasm.
Yeah, well, I'm pretty sure I hit him, but
So on this site, if you take over a spawn point, generally the rules are inside to respawn, outside to shoot.
what's the idea with this?
And I really don't think this video does this justice. It's quite a steep hill, plus all the mud. It's messy, it's slippery.
One down, if it was.
So we're pretty close to the objective now. So there's one more road leading down to the right, which goes to what we call the hot box. Sometimes there's people down on that road, so we're just having a little gaze down there. Generally, if you can cross this road here, it's all gravy, pretty much. There's a good look straight into the objective through one of the doorways, which a lot of people seem to stand at for some reason, so let's go have a look. So I'm assuming there's no medic in here, hence why those 3 players walked off. We do have a lack. If you get shot in a game with medics, call hit, put your hand up. Oh, by the way, this is my teammate that shot me.
Medic!
And if you've never seen a tactical slide, you still haven't, because that was not one. But cheers for the medic, dude.
Medica. Sorry. Friendlies.
And there's me hitting a friendly.
Alright, pop up. You should be able to get someone now. Pop up now, straight through the doorway.
Pull that.
Medic's down inside!
So that's the objective building anyways. So we've got people pushing up on the right.
Clear the left side.
So once we clear the left side here and get inside, it's pretty much game over. They shouldn't really be able to push us back unless they've got a bunch of grenades or something to throw over the top.
Left side, yeah, left.
Charlie's gonna push us up the hill. Yeah, left. Back him out.
Medic!
There's the battery boy.
Plug it in. Plug it in. Plug it. There, plug the battery in. Way on the corner. Way on the corner. Way on the corner. Hey, kid's got the battery. Plug it in. Kid's got it. There, the kid's got it. Plug it in.
These are just Dean's connectors, so it should plug in pretty easy here, but he seems to be having a bit of dramas.
Good job, kiddo.
And that's game. Good boy.